Hey, here is our other modeling problem for this lesson. So this is lesson 3.5 modeling problems. We're going to look at a second one. This problem is all about cell phone companies. In Europe, you can buy cell phone plans that aren't just like a flat rate of like $49.99. Now you can use all the minutes you want or send all the text messages you want. But in Europe, you can actually buy cell phone plans that charge per minute or are like a flat rate and then they charge you per minute at a lower rate. But here is a situation that is occurring. In Europe, you can buy cell phone plans that charge per minute or have flat fees and a lower cost per minute. Given two cell phone companies' rates below, at what number of minutes will you pay the same amount regardless of which plan you choose? In other words, is there a point in time where both of these plans with the same number of minutes would be equal to each other? Okay, so we need to figure out how to model this. We have telephone company, which costs 36 cents plus 3 cents a minute. So they have a flat rate every time you call plus 3 cents a minute. And then we have talk to moi with a 6 cents per minute fee. We need to figure out how to model these. So this first one, I'm going to write a little equation just to describe this. If I'm looking at this, we have 36 cents that I'm going to be charged no matter what. So I'm going to write 0.36. And then I am being charged 3 cents a minute plus 0.03 cents times X. X is going to be my number of minutes. Talk to moi just has that 6 cents per minute. I don't have a flat fee, but I have a higher rate per minute that I'm paying. So I'm going to say that is 0.06x. Now, I could totally write this as 36 plus 3x and 6 times x, and that would be fine too. I'm just putting it in terms of cents because that's how my brain works with money. So 0.36 plus 0.03x is equal to 0.06x. Essentially, I'm doing this because I want to find when these values are equal. How much money am I spending for how many minutes? And I want to know when they sort of collide and equal the same thing. So I'm going to now solve this. 0.03x, subtract that on both sides. I now get 0.36 on one side and 0.03x on the other side. And after that, I need to divide by 3 cents on both sides. So when I do that, I should probably get out my handy dandy calculator. I bet it's probably 12-ish minutes. 36 cents divided by 0.3 cents, 12 minutes. At 12 minutes of talking, both of these plans will cost the exact same. So to check my work, I could put this 12 in for x here and 12 in for x here and actually solve them. So 12 times 6 cents would get me 72 cents. And then if I did the same thing over here, 3 times 12 plus 36, and I get the same thing here, I get 72 cents. So a 12-minute phone call cost me the same for each of these two plans, and it would cost me 72 cents, just a little less than $1. Cool? Cool. Again, look for relevance. In this case, all of the numbers that were involved here mattered, and that was really helpful. Having extra fluff that I didn't have to worry about was really, really nice. But it was important that I paid attention to this last question. At what number of minutes will you pay the same amount regardless of which plan you choose? That's telling me that I need to set those two equal to each other. At the same time, these are a little tricky. Try your hand at them. Be sure to email me if you have any questions, and I will see you on the flip side. Don't forget to take your exit pass. Bye.